Here at the BC Wildlife Park, we have two grizzly bears, Dawson and Knute. They are brother-sister pair, born in January, February of 2011. When Dawson and Knute were cubs, their mother was a bear in the area around Casino Creek and Canadian Creek in the Yukon. They did come close to a camp which had electric fence set up, which is a great thing to do. That can help keep bears out. However, they didn't set it up correctly, and the cubs were small enough to fit under it. So they went under the line, and then the camp dog came after them. Their mother flew through the electric fence to try to protect the cubs, and unfortunately, she was shot. Conservation officers were called and they came and picked up the cubs. They were too young to survive on their own, so they would end up being put down if there wasn't a place for them to go. The night before they were due to be euthanized, they found us and asked us if we would be willing to take the cubs, and we said yes. At the wildlife park, we train our animals to be able to do behaviors that help them in a medical way. If, for example, the bears have something wrong with their teeth, we can ask them to open the mouth so we can have a look. This way, when we have to do little medical procedures, they tend to be less stressful both to the animal and to the keeper. They are omnivores, so we add as many different types and varieties of food as we possibly can to the diet to make it interesting for them and cover all their nutritional needs as well. One of the most important things with grizzlies is that we need to keep them safe from human contact. Unfortunately, once they learn how to get a human-related food source, they don't unlearn it. Things that cause big problems for them are garbage, fruit trees, even something like bird seed or pet food that's kept outside. So what we want to do is reduce any sort of attractant that we have around our homes that could bring a grizzly into that area. Both at the wildlife park and in the wild, it's very important that people do not feed the bears.